Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you can actually change your name. Open Codm. Go to your profile and confirm you have a rename card or the change option ready. Once that's confirmed, copy a blank Unicode character from a safe source. This is a single invisible glyph like a Hangul filler or zero-width space. Then open the name edit box and paste that blank character where you want a space. This saves time and avoids manual guessing about allowed characters. Now you focus on placement. Put the cursor exactly where you want the visual gap in your name, then paste the invisible character. You may need to paste multiple times if you want wider separation. Make sure you don't exceed the game's character limit. Once pasted, type the rest of your display name as normal. Because the glyph is invisible, the name will appear to have a blank space while still using a valid Unicode character the game accepts. Finish by confirming the rename and then view your new name in lobby or profile to verify the blank looks right. If the game rejects the name, switch to an alternate invisible Unicode glyph or shorten the name to meet limits. Different servers accept different characters. If the change succeeds but the blank doesn't show, restart Codm or clear cache to force a refresh. That usually resolves display lag and makes the invisible space visible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.